What I have for you today is a Brinks R70 stainless steel round padlock. This is the kind used commonly at storage units to lock up the garage doors. And this one was cut off with a grinder and discarded and then given to me to see if we could single pin pick it, which I did in another video on this channel. So if you want to see that, go ahead and search the channel and find that video. But what I should have done probably before I single pin picked it was really take a look and see how susceptible is this to common rake attacks. And here's what is called a Bogota rake. It's a very simple 3 bumps on the rake. Hardest part about raking this lock open is getting it into the back of the keyway. But with just a little persistence, you can wiggle it in there and the lock pretty much just opens right up. So go ahead and try to do that. Okay, got it into the back and there it goes. So go ahead and do that again so you don't think it's just a fluke. It's really kind of crazy how easy this lock opens. Now, typically you have to wiggle it a little more than that, but sometimes it's just that simple. So get this to the back of the lock. I already got one good click. There's another one. Oh, trying to hold the lock from moving in my hands here. And there it goes again. So not as quick as the first one, but still pretty darn quick. So if you're going to lock up something in a rental storage unit and it's valuable, important to you, you might want to pick a different lock than this Brinks stainless steel R70. And if you'd be interested in finding some of these lock picking tools like this Bogota rake, just check the description of this video. There'll be some links in there to Amazon where you can find those as well. Anyways, I hope this helped. And if it did, please give the video a thumbs up and that'll help other people find it as well. And have a great day.